In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to create dual apps on your iPhone. So, let's hop straight into the video. First, go ahead and open your favorite web browser. Then, type in Instagram login. And click the second one. Now, click the share button. And scroll down. Then, tap on add to home screen. So now you can name this Instagram too. That way, you'll know which is which. And now you can log into your second account. And you still have the first one on here as well. And that's how to create dual apps or just add a shortcut. I hope this video helped. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.